Hi. Welcome to Quebby channel. My name is Matthew. Today we will be reviewing this hot fat cutting revolutionary product, Flat Belly Fix. Cut your belly fat in 21 days. Isn't it exciting? There are a lot of products around on internet, but this one is game changer. Keep on watching this video for detailed review and success stories. Belly fat is more than a nuisance that makes your clothes feel tight. It's seriously harmful. This type of fat, referred to as visceral fat, is a major risk factor for type 2 diabetes, heart disease and other conditions. Now, what is the solution? Solution is 21 Days Flat Belly Fix program. In the 21-day Flat Belly Fix program you'll learn how to elevate your levels of the master fat burning hormone by 1,300% in women and 2,000% in men, so your body becomes a raging fat burning furnace every night. The white fat fuel secret that forces your body to stop feasting on sugar. The thyroid accelerator technique, dramatically increasing your rate of weight loss. This also teaches you a simple dietary trick that reduces the depression chemicals in your brain almost instantly. You'll discover how to reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 33%. The insulin time machine method to completely reverse any level of insulin resistance. One simple trick you can use to increase your bone density without ever having to pick up even a light set of weights. Last but not the least, how to reduce cancer-causing inflammation. Now, your next question will be, is that all? No, it also includes 3 gifts too. First is, 7 minutes to a slim belly system. In the 7 minutes to a slim belly system they will teach you their secret methods learned in 17 years on the police force that help elite law enforcement officers stay slim, strong and ready for action in just 7 minutes 4 or 5 times a week. Second is, fat burning smoothie recipes. They have created a special book of quick, easy, delicious and almost done for you meal replacement smoothie recipes. Third is, Flat Belly Fix Elite Personal Coaching. No matter how hard I work to make the Flat Belly Fix the most complete and easy to follow system it can be, there are always going to be questions and particular situations that come up that we just can't cover in the material. That's why they want to give you 1 full month of personal coaching with me and my staff. So, what are you waiting for? Use our link in description below to avail more than 50% limited time offer. Hurry up. I will give this program 5 out of 5 stars for its effective results. You can watch successful clients sharing their proof.